Hello everyone, it's your boy Mozen, and today we're back another vlog. Welcome back guys, the GOAT, the famous, also known as Mozen is back. And remember, today we're in Dixy Chicken, you can tell. And also thank you all for your support guys. I'm feeling better, alhamdulillah. Thank you all for continuous gratitude. And mashallah, alhamdulillah, I'm feeling better than ever. Recovery has overcome the illness. And also we have Vlog 3, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
What are we doing? Where we at? Dixy Chicken, of course.
Dixy, yeah.
Dixy Chicken. Hassan, we got Hassan. You see, that's his channels. You know, he's Boss the Gaming channel, and also he's doing his best. This is what are you saying? What's his name? Alright, what are you doing? What's your motive? What are we doing? What are we eating?
Okay, today I'm here with my friend Dixy. Just have a lovely meal.
Alhamdulillah, that's good to hear, man. Also, guys, I'm yours truly, Mozen, the peeps and the fellas, and we're just gonna show around, you know, just eating what we had, you know. We're gonna get our meal. We're gonna get our meal. I mean, what I meant to say, and also we're getting stuff. Once we just a short video anyway to show what we're doing, what we're going through, and also yeah, all great and all. And I can show Dixy Chicken a little bit. This is the menu. You can see that. Yeah, we're in city centers also. We're also in city center anyway, guys. I remember, guys, if you're gonna do it, do like a boss. We'll show it to you in a bit later. Hello everyone, it's your boy Mozen. I'm back. We're just at Dixy Chicken in Corporation Street. Also, we just review our food. Mine, it was Mexican box meal with chicken fillet with Mexican nachos with hot wings and also fries, 4 hot wings. Yeah, it was delicious. It was tender. It was properly cooked. I recommend you guys go if you want to go Corporation Street in Town Chicken because they are new to Birmingham. They just refurbished and reconstructed. All right, Vlog 3. How was your food went? What do you think?
It was good.
What else?
Had
You had chicken panini, yeah?
yeah. And panini, and I had a drink.
Drink. What's the drink like?
It was good.
It was good, yeah. All right, good, my brother.
Alright.
What about you, Kasim? What did you have?
Okay, hi guys. Mine was chicken panini and with fries and Pepsi. And to be honest, it was 10 out of 10. Best in town.
Mine was around 9 out of 10 because I missed the part I put some sweet chili on it. All right, okay. Boss Player channel, what do you think of your food? Don't walk away. Speak. He's typical as usual. Speak.
No.
All right, no problem. He's typical as ever. He's just a quiet person. Doesn't matter. He had a chicken fillet burger meal, and he was saying he had it was juicy, tender, delicious, exquisite. All right, guys. Next, we're gonna go to some different. We're gonna go have some dessert now, and we're gonna show around. And also, I'll think of you guys. Make another vlog. If not, we're gonna do it another time. Remember, if you're gonna do it, do it like a boss. Peace out. See you guys later. Bye bye.